Verified.
Okay. Me 1 second, because we will be using someone's ID over here. So how much were you able to finish today, Tarun?
How much means?
You did not even start writing your chapters, right?
Have completed
All chapters?
7, right?
7. All
Seven
written.
with conclusion, front matter, back matter, verified, AI, paraphrased.
Wow. 7. All 7 chapters done, na? I can't see you
Yes,
well.
yes.
Tilt. Done.
Yeah.
So next session, we'll see your books uploaded on Amazon, or we are going to do it right now for both of you.
Uh, not right
Come
now,
on,
I can
tell
say.
me.
Ah,
Did you do the typesetting? Did you do the typesetting
Yes, yes,
type
yes. Typesetting also I have done.
on that Kindle
Yeah, yeah,
Create?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
that I have
That is
not
also
done.
done.
That is to be done. That is pending from my end. So it is.
Yeah. Some part is remaining. I have done for the rest of the things. Just I have a few doubts, so I ask that
Okay, tell
later.
me. Ask. Shoot.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can I share my screen?
Yes, please.
One
I'm waiting
second,
for
1
your
second.
book. I'm excited
I
to see
mean,
your book,
the
Isabel.
Yeah,
first
yeah, yeah.
batch till date, I've been taking so many batches. Out of that, the first batch who managed to finish by session number 7, all the chapters
Yeah, ma'am.
till
So
date.
this, yeah, so.
Save it first. Okay.
So this is the process. Whatever that you said in last class, no, I have done that. This is the title page. But the thing is, instead of this one, can I get like this? One in a three. So when we are going to that format, right? Whatever you said, it is.
It click what is it that you are looking at?
I'm looking like this. Three. Is it okay or?
Go down to your title page. Click on
Yes.
preview. Click on preview. Top right.
Yeah,
Next
yeah,
to export. This is a phone, huh?
yeah.
This is
For
how
phone.
it will look.
Yeah, ma'am. I have seen it. Is it okay like this also instead of that one which I was? Okay.
We generally don't change a lot of things because what happens is like when you actually go ahead and uh, make the book live, the more standard it is, it looks better.
Okay, okay. So the
Because the
default
title
settings,
page, yes,
default settings
yes,
you want to us to
yeah,
consider, right?
yeah,
Okay,
yes.
okay, okay. I have see when we scroll right, when we go to the chapters, this one I will show it to you, or else chapter one here maybe we need to close it.
First, delete that empty page.
Yeah, I will delete that. So I thought that I so
No,
it's
it is supposed to be on the click on about the author. About the author. Click on that. Remove the 2 dots next to it.
this.
Yeah. And add a space to it. Enter. Enter, sorry. Click, hit and enter. Okay.
Can we come on from the first page onwards?
Go on.
Yeah. So
Make
this
it
is.
quicker because we have a lot of things to be done
Yeah,
today.
yeah, 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 yeah.
And that is very crucial.
This one. This one is the
Contents.
content part. Chapter names.
Okay.
And the last thing is there, no, when we on blurb is there, no, it is showing like this.
This is chapter number 7. Where is blurb?
No,
Go
this
down on the
one is the
left. Or
blurb.
go down on the left. No. Where the body is, just scroll down over here. I want to see. Not here.
This last one is a blurb. This one.
Click on that.
It is showing like this.
So you have just changed it the title to a blurb. Simple. And you are not supposed to add this non-fiction, self-help, personal development.
This one I need to remove, right?
Yeah. Delete and change this to just blurb.
I have done that. Right click, convert to, right?
No. Just change the title of the page, Papa. Just remove rebuild, rise, and repeat. And
Okay, you
you
want me
are
to
going
this?
to go ahead, remove this and just type blurb instead.
Okay, just you want me to blurb.
Yes, BLURB. That's it.
Okay, enter.
Enter, just hit an enter. So it looks good. And go to afterward. Remove that 2 dots.
Okay, this first of it should not be there.
Yes. Go down to epilogue. Remove everything after the 2 dots.
It should not be there.
Your rise has already begun. Remove everything. What did you do?
No.
Go down to afterward. The 2 dots have appeared again.
Yes, ma'am.
And go down to your front matter as well.
Title page.
Prologue.
This is fine, right? Contents.
Go to preface and prologue. Remove the dots and extra stuff.
Okay, just this one not required. Why this book has to be?
So remove that why this book had to be written and just remove the dots as well. For the prologue also do it.
Not required these sentences.
No, these sentences are not required. Why are you sending this to me?
Who? Me?
No, I'm asking Tarun.
Okay.
I don't need it.
You didn't need it?
You will do it. You will do it. I will not do it. My job today is to just go ahead and give you guys instructions and you guys are going to do it.
Madam, prologue has done. Madam, forward is I don't have, madam. Can I remove it? No one is.
So remove it. Delete the entire thing.
Delete selection.
Yes, delete section. Yeah.
Since I don't.
Can I give you the forward?
Okay. Next about the author.
Then your book is ready.
Yeah. The sequence is correct, right? Copyright content or up and
the
down.
Sequence it will take up automatically, so you don't need to worry about it.
Okay. Only small things are there, ma'am. For this first chapter, I have done all these settings. I have done. For second chapter up to 7 chapters, I need to do. So this one we have already done. Within.
Tell me one thing. Stop. Why is your coat in this fashion? What did you do exactly?
1 minute, ma'am. So basically, if I come here, right?
Okay.
Initially,
no.
1 minute. Initially, clear. It is like body text. Then what I did means 1 minute. Save.
Click on yes, save.
When I got this one, right? Then I went for this opening quote. I have done this one.
Click on that.
Then later I come here. Then I selected the person's name. Then I went for this opening quote credit. Now it is showing like this. Or spacing should be there.
No, you are doing something wrong. Wait, click on undo.
Yeah. Yes.
Wait. This is body text.
Yes.
Click on the line above where imagine is written. Click anywhere on that line. Okay? Don't highlight it. Just click on it. That's it.
Okay. What you think?
Okay. Go click on opening quote over here.
Okay.
Okay. Now click next to Buddha. And click on opening quote credit. Why is it changing like this?
For me, it's showing like this only, ma'am. And theme also, I have selected this one only, classic.
No,
Classic.
let me first look at that
Ah,
and then come down to that.
okay.
Hit a Control Z
Okay.
or undo it. 1 second. Do one thing, just hit an enter and take the code down. And now remove the dash next to Buddha. Even the space, remove it. Okay. And now click on opening quote credit. Let's see on Buddha. Click on opening Buddha. Okay. Now click on opening quote credit. Let's see what happens. There is a problem with your formatting because it doesn't happen this way. So you will have to check your original file.
This formatting you said no, ma'am. That only I followed. Wait. See this one, chapters, right? Yeah. Whatever you have suggested, right? I have followed that only. 1.15 spacing and 12. This is for 14 and this is for
No,
12.
because it doesn't happen that way. Uh, Go
Same
back to
thing
that
only.
Kindle create. Go back to Kindle create.
Okay.
1 second. Do one thing in the next line. Hit and enter. Hit and enter. Go to the end. Hit and enter. Come to a fresh line. 1 second. Let's try something
Control
else.
Z. Control Z. Go to
Go
the
to the end of Buddha
enter.
and enter. Go down. Next line. One more line below. And type your quote now. Take a line above. Now type the quote.
What do you think?
Any small letters, capital letters, timing.
It's okay. It's okay. Comma. You become. Comma. What you feel. Comma. Who you attract. Imagine you create.
Okay.
Okay. Now hit and enter. And now just type Buddha. I want to see what is happening. Okay. Now for Buddha, go to opening quote credit. Let's see. Okay. Now what you think you become, click on that and click on opening quote. How did it come now?
Now it's come in the middle.
This is how it should look like.
Yeah. Means
remove what was given. There is a problem how you have created it. Remove the quote.
This only I have taken. So timing manually I will type as per your suggestion, whatever you said list for each
So
one.
maybe for the next chapter, see there could be one reason is like you have taken create in another line altogether. If it was on the same line and plus you have tried to center align and all that stuff into your doc file.
This one,
This
right?
is what is actually creating a problem there. Now don't try to do anything because you will have to do everything again.
Yeah. I will see, ma'am. Like, you want me
Just
to just I
change
wanted to
the
delete right this one, right?
delete this and use this. You deleted everything, yeah.
No.
What, Shravan? Don't do this.
Time is more precious, right? So
No, see, I don't have a problem. I can stay here till 11.
okay.
Tarun will say I have to go to office tomorrow.
It's fine now, or it or a
This
little
looks
bit.
good.
Okay.
Just remove, take one space above.
Maybe I will try later.
Okay. Just save and it's done.
And one more thing, ma'am, the doubt is if you go to the preview, right, regarding this chapter, it is taking the entire chapter title. It has a one page when we see in a mobile. Is it okay for this or what exactly?
It's okay.
From
Did you
here on,
change the chapter titles, by the way?
I have seen that prompt which you have given, and I think that are giving like artificial kind of things. So I did not like. So I thought that these simple things good looks. So I have considered this only, madam. Even when just I would like to say my opinion. I would like to know from your end also.
They see, to be very honest, when you buy certain books on Amazon, Amazon lets the reader take a preview as to what is inside the book. So the first few pages or few chapters we get to read for free. So the
Yeah.
moment I remember I was reading some book by Robin Sharma, and it had around 25 or 50 different sutras or mantras about life. So the moment I did not read the whole book,
Okay.
I just opened the index, I read it. I said, okay, this is what it is. I don't think so. I need it.
Okay. Okay.
Because the title was giving me the information in a gist.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
why would I read all the 50 things?
Okay. Okay.
So it's up to you.
Yeah, ma'am. I seen, ma'am. I when I'm looking at it, those titles, no, then it is not matching with the ones whichever I have written, right? Then I
So
thought that these.
explore.
Uh-huh.
Explore. That's I experiment. Try and find out. Ask ChatGPT to give you more titles.
How about this? Your opinion on these things? For me, when I pick a book, when I see this, for me it's okay. This is what I'm. What do you say?
I will not even buy the book because by the title I know what is inside.
Okay, you want me to come up with the new things for these titles, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I will.
It is too simple. So it basically, see, when I'm looking at it, see, I have read your chapter, so I know. So when I'm looking at it, it is like start your day with positive affirmations. Okay, so basically I have to find out what affirmations are. Why I will not buy the book. There is enough information available online.
Mm-hmm.
Regular physical activity. Okay, I'm any which ways walking 10,000 steps. What difference is it going to make by reading this book? Well,
Mm-hmm.
next is empower, dress to empower yourself. Okay, maybe I have to change my dressing style. Perfect.
Okay.
What next? Engage in continuous learning. So this is one topic that I might think about buying your book. Next is set and achieve realistic goals. That is already available on information, like so much information. What kind of goals, how to achieve, and everything. Celebrate your achievements. Understood. Limit social
Okay.
media
Okay.
consumption. Okay, so I'm maybe spending 4 hours on social media. I'll just cut it down to maybe just another 3 hours. I should be there. 1 hour I'm going to cut down this week. Simple. What is
Okay.
there to read?
Okay. Okay. So I come up with the titles also. The thing is,
Obviously.
the content is everything is good itself. Just only these titles I need to change, right? It will not impact on the book content, right? That's the question.
Upload the chapters and ask ChatGPT to go ahead and give
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
the
Yeah. Yeah.
content, the titles for it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if
That.
you're not happy, what the easiest thing to do is this. If you're not happy with the titles, check which of some out of 10 titles it is giving you. Choose if you like any of those.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And tell ChatGPT, I liked maybe this one. Okay. So give me like 10 similar ones. Or maybe
Okay.
I have some ideas in mind. Tell ChatGPT that idea, and it will go ahead and give you some prompt. And accordingly, you can see it is not always necessary to choose the exact title that ChatGPT is giving you.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can tweak it,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
like
Mike.
mix and match.
Yeah, I got it. The mix and match of the title will not impact this book content, no? Because based on this title, I have written the content. It will not impact, right? That's the question I have.
The thing is, shall I put it in this way, Shavan? Actually, the
Mhm.
content is same. Even the chapter heading is same. But instead of revealing in the single liner, we would give something a curious heading to it, so that the people may be interested to know what is in it in the chapter.
Okay.
Maybe let us take an example. Start your day with positive affirmation. In my point of view, I can simply narrate it that okay, so I should think positively when I start from my bed. So that is what I can understand. So you might have bring in many insights and views to it. but still I may presume that in a different way as a common readers. So I may not be interested to read it insightful, because I'll come with the preconception that this is what the chapter is going to teach me.
Okay, okay.
So in
Correct.
order to avoid that,
Okay, noted, noted.
So we are going to just package it differently. That's it. Nothing different.
Okay, ma'am, I will do
Okay.
that.
please change the cover. That's it.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Okay. Done.
Done, ma'am. And one more doubt I have. See, when I'm going to take the no,
Tell
ma'am.
me. Tell me.
Actually,
Yeah.
the
Tarun
today's
is laughing.
no. The today's session goes as like Shaman is present. Last two sessions, it doesn't look like he was
No,
there.
because this time he has actually done a lot of work and he has
Yeah,
come
yeah.
back. So he has like, we are going to take all of the doubts and then we're going to move ahead into it. Chalo, shoot.
This is a heading I have taken. The thing is, first paragraph you said, right? When we select this chapter of a chapter as first paragraph, it is taking much of the distance between this heading and that one. When we see,
See, you will take the indentation only when, see, you have given it a subtopic, understanding what positive affirmations are.
yeah,
If
subtopic.
there is a subtopic starting in the beginning of the chapter, I will not take the first letter as the bigger one.
Yeah, yeah. That first letter, yes.
Correct?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
But if it was, I'm directly starting off, then I take it up.
Okay. Okay, I understood. The thing is, for some chapter, the first subtopic is there, so I need to leave it. Whereas for another chapter, the subtopic is not there. Take that indentation part, or need to follow the same thing. For example, this next chapter, this is not
I
there.
see
Mhm.
if out of all your 7 chapters, if it is something like, all the chapters, how many chapters will have the subtopic in the start?
Some of the chapters have.
Out
Don't
of
give me
seven,
some of them.
out
Out
of
of seven,
seven,
how
how much?
many?
3, 4, 5.
First one,
This chapter 3
no,
doesn't have it. 4, 6, chapter 6.
only first chapter, I think.
So remove it.
Yeah. Just you want me to remove this one, right?
Understanding what positive affirmations are.
Then I can
But
use that one.
can I give you a point? Like after reading this book, what will I get?
You will get to know that these are the 7 things I have jotted down. Okay, if you follow these things, right, there will be a little bit progress in your day-to-day work. That is the main
So do you
intention.
mean that I'll become a new version of myself or be successful? Do you
Yes,
mean?
yes, yes. We are confident in ourselves, but sometimes due to the pressures, right, we cannot express to the I mean surrounding peoples. So why there is
So
a why there is a inferiority complexity in us? Maybe we are talent, but sometimes we will not show our talent to the people around us. So how to avoid that? Okay, if you follow these habits, right, that is going to boost your self-esteem, so that you can project it that such that the people around you know that this is what you are. We haven't expected that you are like this. So
okay,
because of that, there is a progress in your life, as well as there is a increase the productivity. So wherever
okay.
you are working, that is the main intention.
So can we start chapter one like how the successful people start the day, something kind of, so that brings a curiosity in the minds of people. So what success people do, or
uh,
the
yeah,
like
yeah.
top CEOs, what top 100 CEOs does in their life, or 100 achievers achieve in their does in the first thing in the morning, something kind of. So that may bring curiosity.
But
And
what have included that as a case studies where the some
yeah,
people has
yeah,
followed it.
that case study.
Yeah, yeah.
So as a lame guy, what I felt is like I want to be a successful guy. For myself, a successful guy is maybe a businessman or maybe a celebrity. It may be. So instead of putting something into a class, like if I want to study this, read this chapter, what I would expect the chapter name to be. What is the first thing that success people do in the morning? So if something kind of that, so I will say what they will do. So something so that I will feel like to know what they are doing.
Yeah, I got it, but it will take a lot of time in research only. And the thing
No, no, the
is not
chapter
about
to bring it.
only take. It's
No,
not
no.
about that taking only the successful people. Suppose there are 4 people around us, right?
Hmm.
One is the top, another is the middle, whereas third person is there. He has the abilities. He is extraordinary when compared to 1 and 2, but he don't know how to project that. My intention is to help that person to
Yeah.
make that he's what.
So one is at top, one is at bottom, one who has capable of becoming the top, but he has not exceeded it.
Yeah,
So what is the aspiration of the mid one? To become the successful or to be at the top. What the top people does, I want to know that, so that I can express myself and to become that. So if my chapter starts in a way, the chapter name, I mean about the heading.
yeah.
Heading says, what does the successful people do?
Mhm.
Something, if that brings a curiosity to me, being a digital marketer, you need a hook, a simple hook to pull them in. So the hook, something you should plan as something like a hook. So that brings, that pulls your customer to read it. I felt it. It's just a point story.
Yeah, I understood, but let's go with this at this point of time. Maybe the experience and writing will makes us to do such kind of things in a coming future.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much for your
Okay.
advices. I will remember. Maybe I will come up with good number of books in future. If I succeed in this first book, let's try as a first author.
First book, if it succeed, the probability of doing second time would be very less. If it
Exactly.
failed, the probability of doing is much higher. That is what the case of many people.
Yeah.
So I would wish you this to be the success, but I want you to write multiple as much as possible. Add value to people.
Okay. This only, madam. Just I'm showing the preview one more time for this.
Okay.
When I click on this right device as well. So first chapter, it is take entire page is taking like this. It is showing. Okay. I've already seen
It's
many books,
okay.
right?
You don't need to worry about this.
Okay, fine.
It's problem with the
Don't
readers. Why you
because
worry?
no, because
No.
see, I'll tell you to be very honest, different devices, it will show up differently.
Mhm. So
So
better to
that is
follow.
something that
Yeah.
that is something that Amazon Kindle will take care of. We don't
Okay.
need to worry about that.
So
Like
bet.
see, people will have a tablet. People will have a phone. That's a phone screen will be of different scale, like size basically.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Kindle reader is a different size. Tablets are different size. Someone might want to read it, maybe if they directly online as well. So we don't know how and where they are
Okay.
going to go ahead and
So
do
no
use
need
it.
to follow any means just need to follow this the template, the Kindle create template
Huh,
itself. Just no need to
exactly.
for this title it is showing 30 the font size 30 is okay, right?
It's okay. Go with whatever the settings is. Do not change the settings. That's what I would recommend. Because
Okay,
people
ma'am.
do have an option to go ahead and zoom in, zoom out, change this stuff.
Yeah.
So leave it as it is. Do not play around with it.
Anything you want to suggest? This one okay.
No,
Okay, na?
all good. All good.
Just titles I need to change and that's it.
Just fix the titles. That's it.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
And maybe
Chalo.
yeah, 1 minute that also can. And one more thing also this one we have last time we have said, right? This one means last prediction we have given. So instead of this means instead of this image I thought that it will be like, can I take like Zen kind of thing or this fit? Not required, or you want me to go with this one itself? Means when I look this one, no, then I feel little bit uneasy,
Simple.
but I thought that maybe like this one or this one.
Where you got that Buddha kind of statue?
This is like a statue. I mean, Zen or Buddha is there. No, I have
Where
instead
did
of
you
this
get it? He's
Ah,
asking you.
in this one only elements.
is that free?
Canva.
It's free only.
Okay.
So I thought instead of this, is it
It is a
this?
Buddha silhouette.
Yeah, is this looks
Yeah.
good or what you say?
Which
This one.
let the marketing expert speak.
When I look at this, means sometimes this image.
Wait, sir. Shravan, you asked the question. Wait for someone to answer.
Oh, okay.
As fixed it's mine.
Which one is good?
For me, still I go with the first one.
This I have made like this also.
I I said you right. I'll tell you, Shravan, something. If even I'll put my example, not this. 7 marketing mantras. Mantras is something I can put slogan kind of background, which makes it more relatable. But we don't. It is usually not to recommend on something to put on people's to bring in some preconception in their mind. So here,
Correct.
this man comes with a plain body. He doesn't represent anybody. It is unbiased and he is straight. And the first thing which I can see in this image is he is meditating. And the first thing is having a clear mindset and a clear picture of out of all cluster colors. The white is something which is giving peace or something which is connects to the eternity. This looks connecting to the topic, and even without the content I feel something connecting to with the creative which is there. And if it is Buddha, uh, I'm not sure whether can we use this or not, because I have been experienced with the instance for an NGO. They have made a name of Teresa charitable, Teresa social work something kind of, but when they used it, they have been asked to not use the photo of Teresa. It has been restricted, something kind of. So we don't want to come up with this kind of things in future. That is the reason I felt it.
Then okay, I will go with this.
Another thing I'll tell you, what I felt is like when I'm seeing the Buddha picture on the cover image, it is giving me the clear idea of like, something about Buddhism or, spirituality. But your
Okay.
book doesn't talk about either of
Yeah.
them.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I note your points. And I have changed this also, madam. This one you said last time, change this subheading. I have made this 7 habits to boost self-esteem for driven profession.
Perfect.
The
Done.
word
Looks
split
good.
self-esteem.
Should be
Can
together.
you should be together.
Yeah, yeah. Little bit I will increase the font
So it
size.
should be,
Shrink
no,
it.
it don't increase the price. Sorry, font size.
Reduce.
Self-esteem should be first listen now.
Ah,
Otherwise, do it
okay.
on your own. Wait, I'm
Okay.
telling you.
Shrink it. Yeah,
So,
simple.
where self is, click on that. Where the self starts, click on
It's
that.
7 habits is okay, or 7 daily habits I need to put?
No,
Habits.
just 7 habits.
That's a good, right?
Stick to
Yeah.
it, huh? Click on enter. Hit enter. Okay, perfect. Now come down to driven D and hit enter. Perfect.
This one
It's good enough?
any upwards, downwards?
No, perfect. Looks good.
You
I
said
hope
We
you
will
have
get
put
about.
everything else in the pink margin.
yeah, 1 minute is fine.
It's there. It's there already in the margin. Yes.
Now it's okay, na?
It is there in the margin. Perfect.
Okay,
Okay.
finalize.
Just maybe take up your title a bit up.
It is to
Just a
be
bit up.
up, followed
Eh,
by.
no, up in the center.
Lift a line. It is not in the center. Now it is center slightly up.
Just up, slightly up. Slightly up. More. Why is the pink line not showing up on the border? Okay,
Because he has
perfect.
not reached it.
It's not showing up. Okay, click on rebuild, rise, and repeat again. Click on your
Heading.
title. No, just click it. You highlighted it. Now just take it a bit up. Bus. That's it. Done. Perfect. Sorted.
I think after repeat, you have got one enter space is available.
That's okay. It will not show up. Go down to your name, Shravan. Take it down till the time you see that pink outline. Go up. Yes, that's it. Perfect. I want you to keep the space empty because in case you hit bestseller, you would need that space to go ahead and put the gold badge.
Okay, this is fine, right?
Yeah, this looks good.
Okay, done.
Reserved for bestseller badge. You mark
So I'm making space for that as well.
Space is there, right? We can space
Yeah,
that.
There is space. There is space. Don't worry.
I
There is
meant
space.
it that reserved for bestseller badge. I said
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
done, ma'am.
Provided he does pre-launch and everything.
Yeah.
that.
That's it, ma'am.
One
Done,
minute.
done from my end. And this is so. Next time I will come with those that suggested changes. That's it.
What are those suggested changes? It's done.
Titles,
One second.
Titles.
Okay, okay.
titles.
Titles for what? The chapter. Give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So we're done. So I'm going to stop my screen sharing, and today we are going to talk about how to upload your manuscript on Amazon. Okay. So for that, you are going to not upload the manuscript if both your manuscripts are not ready completely, but you are going to start off with the process. So Tarun, this time you share your screen quickly, and I'm going to take you through that process.
Okay.
Go down to Amazon go down to Google. One second. And click on Amazon Kindle, and where you get self-publishing Kindle, click, no, just Kindle. Self-publishing. Click on that. Okay. So let's see if you can sign in. You're going to enter your email address and password. Don't use OTP login, by the way.
Sure.
What happened?
Was working. Few minutes back I tried it. What happened? Give me a minute. It was there.
The password might have changed.
Oh no. Just few minutes back I resetted it. Give me a minute. Let me check.
Check the caps lock if you turned on accidentally, because that happens.
Uh, hmm.
Click on forgot password and reset it now.
Just now reset it.
It's sent to your email ID.
Yeah. Okay.
Another code. Two-step verification.
Success. Yes, have logged in.
Give me 1 second. Okay. So come down to, have you created an account? Go up. 1 second. Click on your account. country and set it up.
So 29033.
Okay. Now you're going to enter your full name over here. So whatever legal name that you want, you're going to enter
As
that.
per ID proof or
Go as per your ID proof. Hopefully everything should be same.
okay, no.
Scroll down and say save and continue. Sometimes what you saw comes immediately when you log in into KDP, I mean
Hmm.
Kindle, but sometimes it doesn't. So this will be business type will be individual. Scroll down. Then where is your bank? Type Get India over there. Savings. Then you add your account number and re-enter your account number. And add your name on account exactly as it is. Do not make any changes because if there is an issue, then there is a probability that it is US way, like, month comes first, then date, and then year. 12/30/1993. Oh, so you have a double celebration, it seems, on New Year's.
Yes, it is.
See, I just suddenly realized, like, celebrate your birthday, then celebrate New Year, then again New Year,
Yeah.
31st and 1st. Okay.
Yes,
So
it is.
hopefully the name is correct. Just check the spelling.
Sorry. Exactly. Hmm.
Okay, correct. I could see that.
Yeah.
Rajasekhar Lakshmi. Okay.
Yeah.
Then select existing address if you want to select the existing address. If you want to add a new address, you can add it over here and
Okay.
click add. First add and then save. No, 1 second. You will have to complete the questionnaire. Click on complete tax questionnaire.
That is here. Huh.
Yep. Click on that. Save and continue. Here it is. What is your tax classification? It will be individual. Scroll down. Are you a United States permanent resident? No. Scroll down. Are you acting as an intermediate agent? No. Again, go down. Country of citizenship, India. Everything else remains the same because the address, everything gets updated. Same as permanent address. I have a non-US TIN, that is your PAN number. Please add your PAN number over here. Caps lock. Okay. And you click on continue. Scroll down. Then it says you may be eligible to receive. Okay, India, confirm, because you are not eligible for that. It's okay. They have some treaty and everything. It doesn't make a difference. Scroll down. Down, down, down. I certify and type your full name as on PAN. How can you make a spelling mistake every single time? At the
Same
same
spelling.
place, same spelling. Scroll down and say submit form. Exit interview. Go back. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Go down and say save. Have you saved or not?
Yes.
Okay,
Success.
success. Got it. Okay, go up. Okay, this is how you are going to go ahead and enter all your details, because this is something that I cannot show you at my end. Okay, so you are going to do it at your end. So give me 1 minute and I'm going to go ahead and open my Kindle Create because I have to show you a sample upload. So I'm going to stop screen share and I'm going to take over from you. 1 second. Uh, Give me 1 second. I have to log in. Give me 1 second. I'm just logging in. Okay, perfect. So I just exported Let me share my screen. Okay, so here I come. So once you reach over here, the next step that we are going to do after your identity verification, everything is done. We are going to click on create a book. So you can click on this or there's another tab as well that will help you create. Now, since we are going to go ahead and work on Kindle ebook, we are going to click on this create ebook. And since the language is English, we are going to keep the language as English. Now, the book title, I am going to go ahead and type, say, random XYZ. But remember, the title that you put in, you cannot go ahead and change it at all. This is one thing that you cannot change. Okay. So keep in mind that you are not going to change. So here I'm going to just put my subtitle for
Book
an
title,
instance.
all caps we have to put, or sentence form?
However, the
Title
sentence form looks better.
Title form. Mhm.
Okay. If you have multiple series, but right now you don't have series, it would be just the first iteration. So this is not applicable. But say, for example, you are doing like 7 habits of successful people or busy professionals, series 1, 2, 3. That's when you will add in. Say, for example, you are revising the edition. So then you say revised edition number 1 later on. Okay.
Suppose if I
This is
want to
when.
write the same topic on other platforms, like instead of professionals, if I am going for women's, in that case, I can put their series as one.
You can this can be added to the series that and then you can just club it together.
Means
But it
another
will
book,
be
once it is published, then we need to put as series there.
yeah,
Okay, not now for first book.
not now, not now.
Okay.
So over here, I'm going to go ahead and add my name, that is Sonali, and I'm going to just put my surname. Okay, I'm going to leave everything blank over here. Now I'm going to go ahead and take you to how do I do it? I'm just thinking. Give me 1 second. Tarun, whose book is ready, 100% ready? Is your book 100% ready? With the front matter, back matter? I'll just quickly give you a prompt. Give me 1 second. Why is my screen not? 1 second. I'm going to give you a prompt right now, whoever wants to do it, but I'll tell you how to do it. Because I don't have a book right now, so I cannot show you exactly how to do it. Okay, let me share this. Okay, so this is the prompt, and this is going to help you to go ahead and write a book description. So the first rule of this prompt is once your entire book is ready with the editing, proofreading, everything done, you're going to upload this particular, download the manuscript in a PDF form and upload it on ChatGPT. Okay. And then you are going to go ahead and copy paste this prompt. But when you copy paste this, you are going to go ahead and add the keywords. So the keywords you must have got from day 2 foundation program. So do you have any of you have that ready with you?
Keywords like something we have shortlisted, like for me in the case marketing startup. Is that so? We have
Yes,
found
yes, yes. Do you have that ready?
it should be in this laptop.
How many laptops do you use to log in?
This laptop doesn't comes with camera, so that's the reason I'm using my official laptop.
Okay.
But all the
So I
stuffs will be
am
done by this.
putting the thing in chat. 1 second. Okay. Why is it going to? Oops.
How about WhatsApp chat?
No, I'm not logged in today.
Mhm.
And it because I was like into back-to-back stuff, so I didn't get the time. So I put it in the Zoom chat. They will send it to you tomorrow. It is going to take a lot of time for my chat to get loaded. So let's
But
not waste time. I've
I've received a
I've
message.
sent a PDF copy.
Yeah, I've got the
I've sent,
message.
in the chat. Just download it for your reference.
Okay,
You
download it.
can just copy because it's a very long prompt. I
Hmm.
will try to put it in the chat. Let's see.
It
It's a very
doesn't.
big prompt. It's a very big prompt. Are you able to copy and paste what? So maybe I will just go ahead and copy from here till the third one or the fourth one. Let me see if I can do that. This is the first part of the prompt. And now I'm sending you the part 2 of the prompt. In case someone,
Same as the assignment
it's,
you have shared, right?
yes, it is the same thing. But the only thing is like sometimes a PDF copy does not let you copy it. That's why I copy pasted it here. Shavan, have you received it in the chat?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay, so who is running these prompts? I'll share the screen because I don't have data. Let me give you access. Who's doing it?
Sean, can you do it?
You only.
I will do it faster.
You do it.
The thing
We
is,
have a lot of things. Tell me.
Yeah, fine.
I was not able to use ChatGPT in this laptop.
So can you share your screen from the other laptop?
Okay, I'll connect now. Give me a minute.
Huh.
I haven't
It's
connected
okay
the
if the
laptop.
camera is not there.
Sure.
The problem is I generally have sample manuscripts with me, but my laptop is formatted, and because of which now I don't have manuscripts to give you a demo.
Give me a minute. It's connecting.
Okay. Just share the screen. We can see you from this one. So don't worry. Last so many batches, I had like so many manuscripts on my laptop, and everything for a change went for a toss. Okay, this is 100% charged.
Trying to show. Okay.
I might have to give you access again. Okay. It.
Okay. I should upload the file.
So the first step that you are going to do is like, download the PDF copy from your Google Doc or your MS Word. So get a PDF copy that has the front and back matter, everything ready.
It is kind of. It is ready.
Where is it?
Uh, okay.
Okay. Now copy the prompt. Copy paste the prompt. Okay. Go down where the keyword is. Where you're supposed to add the keyword. Here. So there, add your keywords like, startup, entrepreneurs, the marketing, etc. Whatever you had.
How many keywords we have to add here? Limit is there, or 4 to 5?
Whatever keywords that you must have found in day 2 foundation program research, you are going to go ahead and add it here. So right now, what he might not have it. So he must have just thought about it and he's just adding it. Just hit enter because this is not the final thing. And let's wait for it. So if you notice, just go up. So uh, down, go down. You have gone 2 up. Go slowly down, down, down. Go down. So this one, keywords naturally embedded for search optimization, is something that you are not supposed to take it. But, scroll down. If you ever thought this will be there and this will be there. If you ever thought and ready to go for invisible to unforgettable. Now, Tarun, what I want you to do is just copy this and put it in the chat. You might not be able to go ahead to paste everything because no, not there. Go.
I understood.
That's it. Copy and put it in the chat. So I will use it over here to show a demo. Put it in the Zoom chat.
Sure, sure, sure. I've minimized it. Yeah. Too long.
So put it into 2 or 3 parts so I can take it up. Don't take that keyword naturally embedded for search optimization.
Done.
Okay, perfect. So let me stop your screen share. I'm taking you back to my screen share. One second, where is it gone? Okay, here we go. Okay, so here we come. So now I'm going back to my chats out here. Give me 1 second. I did not take it up, but now I'm going to take it one at a time. So this is the first part that Tarun sent me. And I'm going to paste it here. I'm going for the second part. Copy. Okay. How many parts did you send exactly? 4.
Is it for 1, 2, 4?
Okay.
Directly we can paste a plagiarism test also. We need to do a letter for this also, or not required.
No, not required.
Not
This is
required.
not your book.
It shows on Amazon for the people, right? Not required.
So if you notice, I don't know if I one second, let me scroll my screen up. Okay, so see how it has created. So since I have pasted it from the chat, but still, if you notice, everything is added. So let's check if the keywords that we were talking about, is that a part of it? So it says entrepreneur, side hustler, startup founder, marketing, non-marketers, authentic marketing. And if you notice, it says you will gain clarity, confidence, and practical tools to market without a degree or a big budget. So over here, it talks about, how to master the mind of marketing, finding your tribe, building a brand, not just a business. Why this book works. It is written for real people, relatable examples, emotional insights. If you ever thought marketing feels fake, I'm not tech savvy, I have a product, but no idea how to sell it, this book will flip your mindset and track you for success. So, how is it, Tarun?
It's nice. It relates and it resonates. I like it actually.
Good. So it is creating it ready-made. Okay. That's the beauty of using the proper book description prompt. So in case if you're not using it, you will write something random, what is coming to your mind. But from all the perspectives, like see, the keywords are so beautifully infused, you will not even understand. The reader is not going to understand. And the second important part is, it is including hooks, the only marketing guide you will ever need to start. So the title itself is a hook. Then it clearly gives you everything that you need inside. Plus the best part, it also adds the CTA, the call to action. Everything is ready in this. Okay. Now I come down to publishing rights. I will click on I own the copyright and I hold the necessary publishing rights. Give me 1 second. Then this is why
No,
is it 1 second. One second. I can hear a lot of voice, so I'm going to mute everyone. Okay. So sexually explicit images or title, I would say no. What is the minimum reading age that you want to select? So generally it is 18 plus directly. Okay. Primary marketplace, since if you have a lot of readers in India, you're going to choose Amazon.in. Now you are going to go ahead and choose the categories. So say, for example, in case of Tarun's book, we have added like the keywords like say startup, then entrepreneurs, then non-marketers, solopreneurs, Then what was that? What other topics have you chosen? Let's see. To scroll. One was marketing, IDA, SOSTAC. Let's see if I'm going to just add it that way. So, see, this particular part, keywords, should be added based on the day 2 foundation program that we did. Okay. The research that we did on day 2, if you get a chance, take some time and do the research again. The numbers would have fluctuated a bit. You might get some new keywords as well. You might get the some new things added up as well. So this is how you are going to add the keywords. The next thing on the list is like choosing the categories. So if you remember, we went to what was that, textbook, for example, and the subcategory was, say, medicine and health services. Subcategory, let's see, no, what was that we chose is for Shravan. Let me see, social sciences. No. Teaching and education in this counseling. Say, for example, I've chosen counseling for him. So I'm going to save category for that. Then I come back. I click on edit categories because I want to, add another category. What is the category for you, Tarun? Say, for example, I choose business self-help. I'm going to add that. Then the next one on my list would be, Tarun, what is the category that I chose for you? Library and information sciences, maybe. I don't remember. So I say save category. So this is how I am going to go ahead and add all my categories out here. So this page is completely done. And then I click on save and continue. So in this case, I'm going to click on I'm ready to release my book. So generally, it clearly says the book will take 72 hours to go live. But I would always recommend to go ahead and at least submit your book 7 days before, because if the Amazon will go ahead and review what you are submitting. So if there is an issue, Amazon is going to go ahead and send you an email. So you have to keep an email once you upload your manuscript. So right now I'm saying I'm ready to release my book now. If you make my book available for pre-order, you cannot prepone or postpone the dates. I think prepone, it's not possible. Postponing is possible. So right now I'm going to click on this and I say save and continue. When I take it ahead, let's see what is coming to my next page. Now this is manuscript, okay? So this is a choice that you need to make. I'll tell you what I feel. So what is a DRM or a digital right management? Basically, what happens is this. So when you are, you must have noticed many people take screenshots, many people try to download and everything. To go ahead and avoid that, if you click on DRM, it doesn't allow people to do that. But the cons or the disadvantages of it is, say, for example, if you activate DRM and there is a reader who has bought your book, but maybe for some reason they have changed the device, then this book they are unable to use or maybe read as well. Okay, so that's why I do not go ahead and use this. I personally don't do that. Now, this is where I'm going to upload my manuscript. So say, for example, I try EPUB. Let's see what happens. Generally, you're supposed to go ahead and upload a KPF. But in case if you get, see, it has still uploaded EPUB file, but it always says upload a KPF over here. It will give me an error in the later part, but right now I'm going to go back and do the KPF. Give me 1 second. I've just changed it now. Okay. See, immediately it gave me successful wala thing, and now it is processing my file. Now, there is a cover creator that is available on Amazon with the KDP stock images, but it doesn't give that great results. So that's why we create our own images. So say, for example, let me create one JPG image. Give me 1 second. Let me. Okay. So let me come down to Canva. Okay, so here I am going to take you to this images will not work. We are going to remind me in case you don't get it. I'm going to give it to you. This is the final dimensions that you would need to go ahead and get your book cover out here. So say for example, this is my book cover design that I have. I go down and I click on download and I say current page. You don't need to do anything once, whatever your book cover that you have designed, just download it and upload and set it as a background. That's what you are going to do. I click over here, that is download. And instead of all pages, I say current page and this is done. And instead of a PNG, now you're going to download a JPG. I come back over here. I click on upload a cover you already have. You are allowed to choose only a JPG or a TIF. So I come down to downloads and this is my final book dimensions. So based on that dimensions, it has been created. Shravan, are you clear?
You have shared us initial some sample templates, right? Based on that sample
So there
template, we
you
have
design,
yeah.
download that image and set it into these dimensions.
You will share this link again, whatever the format.
It will be given. It will be given.
Uh, we,
Now,
okay.
see, you have to understand like AI generated content, 20% is allowed. But if you have humanized it completely, if you have nothing that is there, you are going to click on no. So if you say what is an AI generated content, it says we define AI generated content as text, images, or translations created by AI based tools. You agree to adhere to your KDP content guidelines as per terms and conditions. So basically 20% is allowed. So here I am saying, say for example, if there is still some AI into your content, you will say yes. A maximum limit is 20% is allowed. But if you don't have any, you will say no. So right now, since we have not got rid of the front and back matter, I will say a yes. So over here, it is saying me text. Some sections with minimal or no editing, some sections with extensive editing, entire work with minimal or no editing. So in my case, it would be some sections. Which tools did you use to create AI generated text? So you can mention ChatGPT, for example. Okay. But if you're going for no, all of these don't come. Now the book is already uploaded. It has given me saying, well done, your manuscript does not have spelling errors. So we are going to do the launch previewer. We are going to see how is it looking over here. So this is how my book cover is looking. If there are some issues over here, you will find something that is that will come up as an error. But currently the book did not have any issues, so everything looks good. So we had formatted Tarun's book last time, so I had that copy, so I just added it over here. See this. And this is done. Okay. Looks like ChatGPT is in love with Anjali. Because I think I just saw forward for Shravan as well, even that had Anjali. So now I come down to this part, this preview is done. I come down to Kindle ebook ISBN and now it says accessibility features. This you are going to click in case this error comes up. Just click on this is correct. So this talks about this will provide if customers with detailed information about accessibility features in your ebook. Are your images accessible? So let's check what does it mean. So we are going to read this. So accessible means like, provide an alternative text. So maybe someone who might be cannot see or something. So do I have an alternative text, or how is there a decorative image? So do you remember, like, there are certain you can say information, sometimes there is, when we watch a movie with subtitles, there is that additional boost that they basically add up, like, that will be descriptive kind of a stuff. So does it have it? So I will say, I don't know if my informative images will include alternative text or extended description, because we don't know actually, and most of it we are not using images. Okay, then I say save and continue and move on to the next step. In this step, I come over here, and now this is KDP select. So if you want to go for a 70% royalty, you are going to click on enroll my book in KDP select. So this is a 90-day program where it allows you to run discounts and participate in promotions and like Kindle Unlimited program. In this 90 days, you cannot go ahead and enter, like put your book in a digital format, in an ebook PDF format anywhere else other than Amazon. Okay. Now I say I want to make my book available in all territories worldwide. So I'm keeping it like that. My primary marketplace is India. And since I've opted for KDP Select, I'm going to opt for 70%. Without listing your book for KDP Select, you cannot get 70% royalty. It is compulsory to go ahead and list into KDP Select, only then you can get it. So now I come over here. So say for example, I price my ebook at 99 rupees, and see everything else will change. So over here, you can say, okay, they are giving me 2.99, but I think my book has much more value and I want to go ahead and maybe list it for 3.99. I can change it here. So over here, it is giving you the actual costing and everything. So like, the delivery cost is 70 rupees, 94 rupees without GST. And like everything else put together, this is what the royalty that you are going to earn. Okay. So over here again for Amazon UK, if I want to go ahead and make the price, so anything more. So I want to make it 2.77. Then when I go down to France, I might want to go ahead and increase. I want it to be maybe 4.69. I can go ahead and make it that way. Okay. So you are going to go ahead and do all of these pricing. So if you don't want it, you can always keep the base price, because see, it is telling me what is the base price that is allowed. So 2.99 to $9.99. For each country, it is giving me the base price, like what is the lowest and what is the highest range where you can price your book. So accordingly, you can go ahead and price it. So when it comes to like ebook, I'll always recommend, like, do not make your ebook priced more than say 199 rupees. But do not price it anything lower than 99 rupees. Price it anywhere in between. But if you have done a pre-launch, if you have some pre-orders, till the time all the pre-orders are not punched in, do not increase the price. For the first 1 month, do not increase the price. After that, increase the price. Fair enough. And all you need to do is just scroll down, and you just have to click on publish your Kindle ebook. Right now, I'm not going to do that, and I'm going to just click on save as draft as of now. That's it. So if you have any questions, now shoot. Tell me, any questions?
Up to now, okay, ma'am.
All good?
Yeah, means once this entire process is done now, I can do that instead of
Try.
click on publishing. I can put it on save and draft. Whenever I want to publish, means can have an option to do on that, right? Right.
No, if you just see, I did a save as draft because that was a demo.
Yeah. Means on the same day
In
only we
your
need to
case,
put a publish.
once you, because you have to understand the more, if you're planning to wait for a certain day and then you're planning to go ahead and publish it, it is not going to happen because the category rankings will change. So, and plus, if you don't have pre-orders, it will be difficult for you to hit bestseller. So if you're planning to go ahead and, write a series of books and everything, trust me, a bestseller ranking, even for one book, makes a huge difference. Okay. So that's why I always recommend at least have one book under your belt that says that you are a best-selling author. That's why pre-launch, pre-order is very, very important. Okay. Any more questions for me? Tarun, shoot. No questions?
No questions for me. That is fine.
Okay. So Thursday, when we are meeting, I want you to go ahead and ensure that this process is done. So at
Yes,
least if you have any questions, you can still ask me.
definitely. And
Because,
hmm.
tell me.
Yes.
Go
You
on.
please complete. It's out of here.
No, I'm done.
Done. Okay. So I'm in the phase of creating the book cover.
Okay.
I want your feedback.
Okay, share.
It's all random thoughts.
Pull down. Okay, go down.
I was just trying a picture. I need to change it the costume, but still I thought of
Professional picture would have looked
yeah,
better.
yeah.
Go down.
This I've tried it, but not into it since
This
mantra.
is an Om and everything.
Uh, so
Okay, go down,
this is
down.
given by ideogram. This too, but I can get some inspiration from it.
Okay, go down.
That's it.
Go to the first two.
Okay.
I remember the second one.
Mm. This is good, right?
Maybe you need to work on the fonts.
Ah.
Work
Okay.
on the fonts.
Perfect.
I like this one, and also experiment with maybe your photo. Even that was good.
Okay. But attire should be changed. I'll do that.
Yes, you need
Mm.
formals.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
fair enough.
Fair enough. Great.
Because it says they don't teach at business school, so that should pop.
Hmm. So my the other doubt which I have, the book name is Seven Marketing Mantra. They don't teach at business school, and the subtitle is the only book you need to start, grow, and win in business. So is that fine to have such a long title of the book like Seven Marketing Mantra? They don't teach at business school. But when you are entering the details in Kindle, I felt it might be a bit longer.
Give me 1 second. Let me switch. 1 second. Hold on.
Go on.
1 second. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So, what I would recommend, to be very honest, is this. I would not like the other wala subtitle. The only guide that you need and XYZ. Seven
Okay.
marketing mantra should be the title, and
Hmm.
they don't teach at business school. That would be the subtitle for me. I'm more than happy with that.
Uh-huh. Okay.
But you give it a thought over it, and you can just sleep over it and then take a call.
Okay. Done.
Done?
Yes.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and see you on Thursday, 8 p.m. And we are going to get into the other stuff parts of it. Okay.
So what is the ideal pricing?
Ideal pricing for the ebook.
Yeah.
To start with, just price it at 99 and put it in the Telegram group, because there'll be many people who would be actually putting it into uh, that, because of the simple reason they generally buy each other's books.
Mm-hmm.
So the moment you put it out there, text each one of them and tell them that I have bought your book, you buy my book. So yes, that's what we follow. So at least you get 10 orders from the community. There are 50 people, but not everyone is active.
It's correct.
And many of them haven't even bothered to join the group.
Uh-huh.
So what you do is, like, whoever is available, see, the people whose books are already live, they are the ones, or someone who is already into the process, they will definitely go ahead and buy the book. Because
Okay.
I know there are almost 8 authors whose books are ready, but they haven't made it live yet.
Mm-hmm.
So you might have to just ping each one of them, like, personally on Telegram, and tell them, I bought your book, this is the screenshot, go and buy my book as well, pre-order it,
Okay.
and they will buy it for you. Fair enough?
Fair enough. But how to join the Telegram group?
You should be already part of Telegram group.
Have I?
Author Stardom social media. The day you join, that's when you are being added. Give me 1 second, let me check. Yes, you are part of it.
Okay.
Let me see if
46 member.
I told you, there are many people who haven't, either they join, they leave, kind of stuff happens. There are many people. So these people are still part of it. Many
Start with
people,
pre-order now then. Seven.
sorry.
I'll start with pre-order now. Seven.
So the people who are already there, they will
Yes, yes.
definitely go ahead and buy your book. Like, whose books are live, they will go ahead and definitely buy your book. You go for and first buy their book and text them. Okay, I bought your book, and all of them are priced at 99.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So
Start.
that,
Pre-book number one.
yeah, pre-book.
Yeah, yeah.
I bought your book. Now you buy my book. That's the barter that we follow.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So that actually gives you that momentum and takes you ahead. So then you say, okay, I already have 7 pre-orders. I have already 10 pre-orders. And now I can go reach out to my colleagues. I can reach out to my family members and they can buy. Then I can reach out to my friends. Maybe um, if you're married, use your wife's WhatsApp status. If you're not married, get your girlfriend or your brother or your sister, parents' WhatsApp status, put it out there. It works that way.
And since we are publishing as an ebook, it will be available only with Kindle and soft copy download kind of thing, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And next session, we will be talking about the paperback.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay.
But just to get a glimpse, is there any difference between hardcover and paperback?
Yes, it is. So
Okay.
the hardcover is basically, it helps you to go ahead and protect the book. So if you notice, there are certain Bibles that
Hmm.
has that hard cover
Hardcover, yes.
with that cover on it, like, that protects the book cover and everything. So that's what is a hardcover. What we are going to do is the paperback.
Hmm.
Basically, the content is still the same. Only the cover changes in hardcover.
Because whenever I purchase the book, I used to buy the paperback because of the cost. Why would I need to spend much on the hardcover?
Exactly.
But I
But
was wondering, but still, why do
hardcover,
people have hardcovers?
huh? So the hardcovers, they are long lasting. They don't get spoiled so easily. That's
Okay.
why people buy it. But for everyone, it is not that cost effective. So that's why they don't buy it. And in my case, for me, convenience matters more. And for me, hardcover is too difficult. I feel so heavy. I don't like that, too. I can't even express. So like, I don't like it that way. I like something that is, very easy on my hand when I'm reading it.
Light handle, actually.
Right,
Even
exactly.
I never purchased, I have got around some 80, 90 books so far.
Okay.
None of the books is hardcover because I
No,
don't
the
feel comfortable.
only hardcover book that I have is a Bhagavad Gita. That's,
Okay.
that's the only thing. And previously, I used to own a Bible as well. So even that was a hardcover because
Mhm.
that is something that you always keep with you. But
Mm.
other than that, I never ever buy a hardcover. That's for sure.
Okay.
And
So when we write some marketing Bible, then we should launch in a hardcover then.
yes, yes, definitely. Definitely. Okay.
Okay.
That's about it, guys. So I'll see you on Saturday at, sorry, no,
Thursday. Thursday.
Thursday at 8 p.m. in that case. I'm so
Okay.
sorry. See
Hello.
you. Bye. Good
See you.
night.
Bye.
Thank you.
Good night.
Bye. Bye.
Good night.
Bye, Sharon.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am. Yeah.